Hey guys, today I will try and pick this nice old bell made in Hong Kong, and we have a fitting right here. Not too bad, we have a high in the back and then a quite low right there in number 3. But before I do, I'll just quickly, I found 7 or 8 more names, and that is there we go. Neo Sapien, Rockman Picks, Correct Jeans, Ivo Robotnik, Pot Kettle Racism, Jonesy SPP, Sam 1EE, and that is probably Sam Lee, I guess, and Jonathan Ivy. And here we go. There, PJC Offset Stones. That was the new channels I have found since last time. So let us give this thing a try. I'm crazy using my new Rise here, and then if we can get some focus, there we go. Bitting is still like that, and a tension wrench. I guess that would work. Shall we check the pick guns first? Let's see if we can open them with that. It's open. Come on, there we go. And the other. Oh. Nothing. It doesn't sound good, and I didn't get anything, so that is not working. Alright, let's start out by rocking then. There we go. And sipping. Ah, it is open. And some raking. There we go. Open. And of course we need to SPP it. Only pin 4 and 3 and it's open. Alright then. Well, that was quite easy. And I don't have anything else to try on it. So, come on, focus. Hello. Well, it doesn't want to work. Alright then, that was all for today, guys. So, thanks for watching and have a good day.